Health benefits and medicinal uses of black radish plant and juice. If you are interested in knowing the health benefits of radish, this video is for you. To get the best out of this video, you are encouraged to watch it in full. You will be glad you did. There are different types of radish, and all types have great health benefits. Black radish, also referred to as black Spanish radish, is an edible plant with great health benefits to the body that we may not even be aware of. This root vegetable belongs to the cabbage family, which includes mustard, kale, broccoli, red radish, turnip, and cabbages. The black radish has a black or dark brown rind with a white flesh. They can be eaten in their raw form, added to a meal, cooked, or fried. Most people disregard this root vegetable because of its unappealing taste. Nutritional facts of the black radish. Black radish is rich in vitamins and minerals including vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as the B vitamins. Other nutrients are calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, protein, fiber, zinc, copper, potassium, linoleic acid, fatty acids, selenium, and others. How to make black radish juice. The juice or syrup of the black radish has a lot of benefits. It can be mixed with honey to give it a sweet taste. This black radish juice can be prepared by following this process. 1. Wash 3 medium-sized black radishes thoroughly and grate them. You may peel them before grating. 2. Put the grated radishes in a container and pour in some honey. Stir the mixture thoroughly. 3. Allow the mixture to sit overnight and filter the following morning. 4. Store the juice in a hermetically sealed bottle in a cool place. Drink at least 1 teaspoon of the black radish juice syrup every morning before eating anything. This juice is a natural remedy for asthma, cough, kidney and gallbladder stones, bronchitis, and pulmonary disorders. Benefits of black radish to the liver. Black radish contains antioxidants that give the herb its detoxifying properties. Specifically, the skin of a black radish is rich in B vitamins and minerals that promote good internal circulation. This ensures that the body is free from toxins. Eating black radish promotes the production of bile in the liver. Black radish can also be used in treating jaundice, which is caused by the accumulation of bile in the blood. Health benefits of black radish leaves. Beyond the edible roots of the black radish, the leaves also have health benefits. For one, the antioxidant properties of the leaves are more than the roots. Using the leaves for food helps in detoxifying the body of poisonous substances. Benefits of black radish to the hair. Black radish contains healthy chemicals that promote hair growth and a healthy scalp. In addition, drinking black radish juice helps in reducing hair loss and dandruff. Applying the juice to the hair will help reduce dryness or oiliness of hair as they help in regulating the production of sebum. Benefits of black radish to the heart. Black radish contains anthocyanins which have anti-inflammatory properties and are beneficial to the heart. Heart diseases thrive when there isn't a good circulation of metabolic products in the body. What the anthocyanins do is to promote proper circulation of these products. Benefits of black radish to the skin. A skin problem, angular cheilitis, can be treated by the consumption of black radish. Angular cheilitis affects the lips and is caused by bacteria or fungi, or the lack of essential body nutrients. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of black radish help in the prevention and treatment of this skin disease. Drinking black radish juice or applying the pulp to our skin helps to moisturize the skin as well as to get rid of marks. Black radish is high in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps in reducing other skin problems such as scurvy, acne, and in slowing the aging process of the skin. Thus, eating black radish is an easy way to get a radiant youthful skin. Other benefits of black radish. Keep the body hydrated. All types of radish have a high water content that keeps the body hydrated. For treating constipation. Black radish is rich in fiber, which promotes good bowel movement. Moreover, due to the rich water content of the herb, the body is kept hydrated, which helps to free the digestive tract. Protection against diseases. Black radish contains antioxidants and antimicrobial substances which help in protecting the body against disease-causing organisms. In addition, studies have shown that black radish can help in the prevention and treatment of cough and colds, as well as for pain relief thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. For treating hyperthyroidism, Graves' disease. Hyperthyroidism refers to the condition where a person's thyroid gland begins to produce excess hormones. Black radish contains raffinine, which can help to reduce the symptoms associated with hyperthyroidism. For weight loss. Just like guavas, black radish has a low fat and cholesterol content. Also, the high fiber and water content of the root helps in curbing the appetite as they are filling. While helping to shed off the extra weight, black radish provides the body with essential nutrients for a healthy body. For controlling blood pressure. Black radish is rich in potassium, which helps in regulating the blood pressure. For mental health. Black radish contains magnesium and potassium, which are necessary minerals for maintaining a balance in electrolytes in the brain. Good mental health is dependent on the good electrochemical balance of the brain. Moreover, these minerals, potassium and magnesium, help to promote mental concentration. Cancer prevention. The anti-tumor chemicals in black radish help the body to fight against cancer-causing agents. For the treatment of osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is the inflammation of bone joints in the body which is caused by the degradation of cartilages in the body. Cartilages get degraded because of a deficiency of collagen. The major ingredient in collagen is vitamin C, and black radish has a high concentration of this important vitamin. As a result, black radish can be used in the treatment of this arthritis. For regaining appetite. Another health benefit of eating black radish is the fact that it creates a good hunger for food, particularly for people who do have a loss of appetite. For enhancing libido. Interestingly, drinking black radish leaf juice during the day is a good and easy way of improving the libido in men and promotes the production of semen. For treating anemia. The combination of black radish, carrot, and beet juice is a great remedy for anemia. Moreover, the nutrients in black radish help in making repairs to damaged red blood cells. To enhance lactation in breastfeeding mothers. The seeds of the black radish, when crushed and eaten by a breastfeeding mother, will help in the production of breast milk. In reducing flatulence. If you are letting gas out more often than not, drinking the black radish syrup at least thrice daily will help to stop this condition. To cure dropsy. Dropsy is a kidney disease which is a swelling arising from excess fluids. Taking 2 tablespoons of the black radish juice at least 3 times daily can help in treating this condition. Black radish dosage. Black radish should be consumed appropriately and depends on factors including the age of the person. You might need to ask your doctor or a pharmacist for the appropriate dosage. However, irrespective of the age or health condition, it is always recommended to consume only enough of the roots and not more than necessary due to the side effects. Where you can find black radish. Black radishes can be difficult to get in normal stores. One of the best places to find these roots is in a farmer's market. Other places where black radish can be bought are Whole Foods Market and health food stores. The online marketplace, Amazon.com, also have the seeds available for sale on its platform. This is a good option for people who may not be able to get the roots from local stores. It takes about a month and 3 weeks for the plant to grow after cultivating. Side effects of eating black radish. Despite the wonderful benefits that can be gotten from the consumption and use of black radish, there are side effects that may occur from the excessive consumption. For example, taking in too many black radishes is not recommended for persons suffering from gallbladder stones. Also, eating too many black radishes may not be good for our digestive system as it can cause irritation. Also, it is a bad idea for persons with radish allergies to eat the black radish. A byproduct of black radish, nitrite is a potentially carcinogenic substance. When combined with amines, nitrite forms nitrosamines, which are ingredients for stomach cancer. Furthermore, since black radish belongs to the cabbage family, there is the risk of goiter, which is the result of an underactive thyroid gland owing to a deficiency in iodine. Just like most other things, the consumption of black radish should be done moderately. It is quite important that radishes are eaten in small amounts in order to gain the most from them. You can do this by adding them to your normal meal. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Thanks for watching.